So now after Allah told us that the life is full of tribulations, it's full of trials and hardship. So Allah told us, if you wanted to seek relief and help, seek that relief and help through two things: sabr and what? Salah. But if you just, I wanted, inshallah, the brother to interact. So if you just can think, why Allah put sabr first before salah? Why Allah put sabr first? Because in value, salah comes first. Here, why He put sabr first? Because you cannot fulfill salah without sabr. So who comes first? Sabr. Now you are standing in long salah, okay? And the Imam is reciting, and you are, okay, next ayah he will make ruku'. Then he can say, next ayah start the ruku'. As, oh Allah, give me some more sabr, okay? So you need what? You need sabr. One, to fulfill your salah. Without sabr, okay, tell me. And I want our brothers to be brave men, okay? What's the most position in your life, or the most person that you need to show lots of sabr to? Allahu Akbar. You see, wife, to your wife, okay, right? You need to show lots of sabr. So if the entire life is 20%, you need to show 80% to whom? To your wife. To sabr to your wife. Okay. Brother Abdullah said, no. Are you afraid? Okay. Let me tell you something before we move. We have 3 types of sabr. Sabr for the good deeds, till you make it, like this one. And sabr for the bad deeds, till you stop it. And sabr upon the destiny of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What is happening to you? Someone, his son got sick. Someone, like he lost his parents. Someone had a certain disease. Someone had problems in his work. So he needs to have sabr. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, through sabr and through salah, you can pass this life. And that takes me to the hadith of Rasulullah. He used to talk with somebody, and he used to tell him, hey, so and so, let's get comfort through the salah. Let's get comfort, let's get relief through the salah. To whom Rasulullah was talking? Allahu Akbar, mashallah. So that's the first chocolate, okay? Bismillah. You see, I'm the only Imam in Tampa Bay area walking with chocolate. Okay, Bismillah. Brother Azzuddin. Yes. And by the way, inshallah, you need to keep the kids a little bit after salah. I have lots of candy to give them, inshallah, to encourage them for coming to the masjid. Where is Brother Kamal? Where is Brother Kamal? Oh, just wanted to thank Brother Kamal for the candy that he brought to the kids today. Okay? Would you allow me to take from it? Okay, and he said yes, inshallah. You need to have patience on the Imam too. Okay, that's one of the types. Okay. One of the things that I wanted to tell you, sabr and salah. When you get sabr and then you fulfill salah, you start getting the sweetness of the taste of salah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about sabr, if the man had sabr upon his wife, and the wife has sabr upon her husband, because it's not only about sisters, it's also about brothers. Some brothers are driving them crazy, subhanAllah. Are you one of them? Are you one of them? Sisters, are you complaining? You see, mashallah, that's great, yes. Allahu Akbar, mashallah. I was listening yesterday. Somebody said if you had a daughter to your son, she would be daughter-in-law, right? And if she has mother, she would be mother-in-law. If she has father, would be father-in-law. She has a brother-in-law. But when you marry your wife, she would be the law. Allah. See, Allah gave you lots of authorities, mashallah. Subhanallah. Do not disobey the law. Okay, remember. May Allah guide us to the right path. Sta'inu. Seek help, seek protection through what? Sabr and salah. And then Allah said, وَإِنَّهَا لَكَبِيرَةٌ. You you know what? Salah will be so heavy upon everyone, except those who have khushu' in their hearts, those who have contemplation. That's why you find people praying and they tell you, no, we need more. Imam, why didn't finish early? We didn't feel it. Why? Because they have khushu' in their hearts. May Allah bless us all. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu feekum. Let's continue salah inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen.